Hi, this is Tony Self from Harcourt's Hunter Mason Realty saying hello and giving you a quick tip on what I'm going to be doing today is I need to get a new flyer for our open house and how I do this. So right now I got this little flyer with a QR code and you see the big one here in the back there. And what we do is you put these in our properties and it's really easy to do. You do need to have some tools and this is what I'm going to show you real quick. And we're going to start the timer so you can see how long it takes to actually do these things using some of the tools we have available through all the Harcourt's items. So super simple. So the first thing is you got to have a place where your clients need to go to. So I want them to go to my website. And let me show you here the website that I have is at southbayca.com. And if you go here, this is right here. So you can type in the name of the listing, or in this case, I'm going to go ahead and put the your URL. Which I don't have here. I had here before. Let me get that for you. I had the actual full address. All right. So you need a place to go for your clients to go to. So this is it right here. This is weird. I have my computer up high. There we go. And I'm going to put the URL. You can see that this is a listing I'm going to be doing this for. Is 6 Santa Ramona on Rancho Mirage. Beautiful property. And what I want is that this is where I want my clients to go to. So when they click on it, they always ask for that information. What's the current price, bedrooms, baths, square footage, and we're trying to capture them, give them information if they want to have part of get other further information about what's in and around available in the property. This is where they go. So this is the URL that I need. So I go to the URL bar. I just select everything, right-click it, and I copy. And now I have where I want to go. So now I need to create a QR code. Now everyone knows QR codes now. The only good thing about the pandemic is that people know how to use QR codes. So we've been using QR codes in everything. So you can use your phone, you go to the restaurant, use a menu, all that good stuff. Every iPhone is built in. You just use your camera, put on the QR code, you should know that. So what we're going to do is now load a free website called QRCodeMonkey.com. It's QRCode-monkey.com. And you'll see here's the code, and I can really fancy this up, but I'm just going to do just very basic. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to select what's in there right now, delete it, and then paste it. And this is the website address. So this QR code, and I can include, and I'll just do the quality a little bit higher here. And it says create QR code. It's going to do a what they call a .png file, so I can take this and I can upload it to my flyer program. So now this QR code goes directly to the property page. So if someone does QR code, you can have it on your phone, say, oh, here's some information for it. So it's paperless, and you capture information. It's all great. So here's a QR code. I'm going to go ahead and download that PNG, and it's going to give me a little bit of that because that's how they make their money. Make sure you support QR Code Monkey because they're awesome, and it's doing it right now. So it's generating, and now I've saved it. So here's my QR code that is ready to go. So I know where it's saved. I usually save it to my downloads folder. And then now I need to then go and launch my flyer program I'm going to create. And we have a great new program offered through Harcourt's. Oh, look at that. Those guys are amazing. So they're doing the whole Outback Christmas thing. Vegemite. So, if those who don't know, Harcourt's is one of the largest, sixth largest brand in the world, and they had their start from Australia and New Zealand. So these are the Harcourt's corporate guys and gals giving a Christmas picture, which is just priceless. So this is the hub, and for those the Harcourt's, go to your hub, launch it, and then we're gonna go ahead and click on the waffle upper right-hand corner. And what I want to do is go to marketing. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the studio. So I'm going to go to the Harcourt studio. I've already been to the studio, so I have my picture there, have my logo all ready to go. So I'm already good. Actually, I'm in the wrong studio. I'm in Mr. Swaggerty's studio. So let me log out of the studio, the hub. This is live, people. And let me go ahead. So the way you log out is you click on this little guy here, click sign out. I'm going to log in. I have many agents. Tony Swaggerty is awesome, by the way. I'm going to do Redondo because I also am licensed in Vegas. So now I'm in my hub account. Go and click on marketing. And then we're going to go ahead and click on the studio. This is going to launch the studio that we just launched through Harcourt's. It has so much cool information. And the thing I love the best is it has the property information for me. I can do property flyers, which is the one that I showed you earlier. This little guy right here. That's what I'm going to go ahead and print out. And I'm doing this for one of my team members so they can do an open house. So I'm going to click on Browse Designs, and you'll see here a few. It'll be thinking. I'm trying to make sure I got the, see the bottom part. There we go. There we go. Now it's thinking. So it's launching, and then here we go for the flyers. This is the flyer I'm going to do. Now I can choose to do a few flyers. What's cool about Harcourt Studios, I can pull this up and say, okay, I'm going to do this one here. It's two ones. I do the QR code in the back and the front. You can just do one side if you want to, but I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one here. So I'm going to click Edit, and then it's going to pull up the studio, and then make sure I have the MLS number because I am lazy and I don't want to add everything in there. And you'll see it's here, there's the editor. Quickly click on the MLS lookup. And then it's going to ask for the MLS number. I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. Click search. And then it will then pull up all my images that I want for this particular listing again. And it's going to replace them, which is fine. And it also replaces the data. And what's cool is I can select different images. So I click this, it pulls it from the MLS directly. So all my professional photos I have there, I can pick and choose which ones I want to show. And I can upload photos as well. So right now it's downloading from the MLS. So while we do that, I'm taking a coffee break. Oh, look how beautiful this place is. Gorgeous. Okay. Man, there's so many great pictures of this. So let me see, let me get the front one here. I don't know which one would be the best one for that. Getting lost here. Okay, this is, well, everyone's kind of seeing the front. Let's make sure they see the back. So I'll make that the main shot. Accept photo. Use this image. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and change it to something else, something I want to make a feature. Again, this is going to be a little flyer that I have available there so people can click on it. I do like the background pictures, but you know, let's see. We'll highlight. Well, I'm just going to choose the pull for now. All right. One of the best features is backed up to lake. So I got this great photo. On this one, I'm going to put my QR code, and then this is where you click upload, and then there's my QR code. And then we'll make sure it fits. And we go a little wide. Oops. Yeah, make sure all those little dots fit in there. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And then use that image. And now I have a QR code for that. Now this is a 2-pager, so I can view the back. And the back has all my information here. So it pulls the MLS info. So I always take the description, and I always have it ready to go at a moment's notice. So I'm just going to take that and edit the description part. But it pulls my picture. Oh, it's too long. And there we go. And this is going to just delete that out, put that in there. God darn it. So you can see this doing live here. So I'm just going to do the first few sentences because I had a lot of text on this one. There we go. And then you can do some items here if you like. Sometimes I'm just going to do this real quick because what I'm doing is I just want to get this ready to go. And gets the information for bedroom. It's actually 3.75 baths. I'll just put 4 baths. Square footage, my info, DRE number. Oh wait, does the 0 there. And then I'm going to change this to the QR code that I had before. I'm going to hit upload. Nope. So let me upload the QR code again because I'm just going to print this back and forth. And accept that. Use this image. And we are done. Front and back. So you can do like, so people know QR codes, it's ready to go. And then I can just print this. So they'll print and ship it for you, but I'm going to print it here from my color printer. And I'm going to save it as a PDF document. So then I can go ahead and replace that property that we just sold, which was in Torrance. Lovely place. Needed some TLC, but it was a great buy for the buyer. Here's the final proof. Front and back. I read and approved it. Say next. And then, oh, that's for printing it. Let me see. Download. So I hit the wrong one. Download. There we go. And I can download as a picture. I can download as a PDF. You can put this on social media if you like. And it's ready to go. And there it is. There's my PDF document all ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and click the print button. Print it behind me. Two-sided. Done. Stop timer. Okay. So that's how I create a quick flyer for my open house using QR codes. You can have other things too. I've done something where disclosure downloads are included as well. But I just wanted to show you how I do it. So if you ever want to use this, again, all the Harcourts people, you have all these type of tools ready to go. That link was from Rail Scout, which we just have a release, and also the studios for us in the hub. So this is Tony Self signing off, saying happy holidays, happy Hanukkah. Have a great and safe new year going into it. We're really excited about what's available and what's going on. We have tremendous business here in Southern California, and also we just opened our office in Las Vegas. So if you're looking for anybody to buy or sell, please send them our way. We pay great referral fees. Again, this is Tony Self signing off, and looking forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions, comment below, send me a text, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully you have my contact information, but if not, it's down in the comments. All right, take care. Have a good one.